So hey you guys, I'm Christina Monty Fisher.
And I'm Tracy Bregman. Welcome to The Lazy Cook
and The Healthy Chef. Today we are going to make my version of a gluten-free lemon olive oil cake.
And it is delicious. I would show you a really beautiful piece, except I started eating already.
Basically, the cake is half gone.
Right, but you can see how beautiful it is here.
Yeah.
It's really, really beautiful. Tastes amazing and is so easy to make. As you know, I don't like a lot of steps, and this is right up my alley.
So we're gonna break this down and we're gonna make this simple, easy, delicious, and fast. Here we go.
Can't wait.
Okay, this is where the magic happens. We're pouring in our beautiful olive oil.
And in goes the honey. Sweet but responsible. Just like us, right? Well, depending on the day.
Exactly.
Mostly responsible.
Yes. Next, mix 4 eggs, crack them like a pro.
A good splash of vanilla, because everything is better with vanilla.
And the fresh lemon zest. Ooh, it smells like summer. This is basically aromatherapy now.
We could sell this as a candle. I mean, honestly.
Now whisk it all together until it's smooth and creamy. Now let's do the dry stuff. In goes the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt mixed together until it's all well blended.
And now the berry trick. Toss your blueberries and raspberries right into the dry mix so they stay evenly distributed in the cake. I did not know this. This is fabulous information. And now we fold the wet into the dry. Kind of like folding laundry, but way more fun and far more delicious.
Way more rewarding too, Tracy.
Into the pan it goes, already lined with parchment and greased with coconut oil so nothing sticks.
Give the pan a few taps on the counter to pop any air bubbles out. Now into the oven, 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, but don't leave the house and go shopping like we usually do.
Yes, stay close. You know it's done when you poke it with a toothpick and it comes out nice and clean.
So we made our lemon olive oil cake and we did it.
I can't think of anything better.
It's so good. It's so good. And it's gluten-free.
Yes.
Yeah. And we did it with some blueberries and some raspberries,
right. And
just to celebrate one of our American holidays.
Exactly. This is for July 4th. But
yeah,
one of my favorite flours that when I change all regular recipes into gluten-free is, it's called 4 cups or 4 cups.
It's cup for cup.
Cup for cup. I knew it had cups in it.
Yeah. That's all you need to know.
Cup for cup, it's phenomenal. I make bread, I do desserts for Thanksgiving with it, and you cannot tell the difference. You literally cannot tell the difference.
No, and it actually makes a really moist cake or a really moist cupcake. I did some chocolate peppermint cupcakes for Christmas, and they came out so moist and delicious. Oh my gosh. The frosting for this lemon olive oil cake, so basically this is 2 cups of powdered sugar sifted, and that's really important.
Oh, sifted, okay.
I sifted it before you came over.
One of those old...
Yeah, well, you can crank or you can just put it in. If you guys don't have one of those old sifters where you crank it, or you can do that on the handle, just put it through one of these and just kind of shake it through. That's what I did.
Oh, I love that.
Because as you know, I'm low on kitchen equipment right now.
Yes, you are. That's for a little tiny pasta dinner.
Yeah, right. But you can sift your flour through one of these or your powdered sugar. And so I did that, which is super easy. And this is, I wouldn't really call it a frosting. It's more of a glaze. So we'll just call it a glaze.
I like a good glaze.
Yeah. 2 cups of powdered sugar. This is mostly grapefruit juice. And then I put a splash of lemon juice just to brighten it up, because we all know if you're cooking a lot, you know lemon juice will brighten something up for sure. Especially like in a jam, a jelly, a frosting, a glaze. Okay, so we're just gonna add that in.
Okay.
Then, to zhuzh up the lemon factor even more, we're gonna just zest, and I'm gonna have you do the zesting. Here you go.
Okay.
The fragrance and the flavor and all of the yumminess is in that very top part. So when you're zesting, don't go into the white part, which is called the pith. And I'm just gonna whisk. And guys, this is just a simple, quick glaze. We also made some coconut whipped cream earlier today, so we can add that too. Okay. All right, you're good. You're good. Do you feel like that's enough lemon? It's up to you. This is going to be your cake.
I just don't know. So I just was so afraid to get into the pith.
Yeah. Yeah. No, you didn't get into the pith. See, she didn't get the pith. It's nice.
Oh, look. So then can we just take out what's
we're just going to do that.
You know, sometimes I think we get so busy, and I think that's my problem too, is I've been working all day and I'm home, and the last thing I want to do is, oh my God, get 10 ingredients out and make something. So that's why I like things that are fast and, you know, instant gratification.
And I will tell you, it's a little faster than the usual lemon olive oil cake recipe because I have the earlier steps like we did earlier. Everything is going in the one bowl, and a lot of recipes will have you separate out the egg yolks and this and that. And I put everything in one bowl. So that's the way we speed it up, but it's not going to be super fast. By the way, can you just
that's beautiful.
Taste this on the edge and tell me what you're thinking?
But I also want to say, I've been thinking a lot about meal planning, like taking one day to really make a lot of things and keep it in the fridge that you can just warm up or add the glaze to, and then you really level up your meals. Says the woman who hasn't cooked, but
very lemony.
Oh, this is beautiful.
It is good, isn't it?
It's not too much. It's tart, but perfection.
It's refreshing, isn't it?
I love it.
So we are going to.
It's wax paper or
it's parchment paper. We put that in earlier. Remember?
Right. I love using parchment paper, especially for like roasting vegetables and stuff like that.
It's life changing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my cake plate. Here it is, and I'm going to.
Oh, smart.
Put it here. I mean, you don't have to.
No, but that
honestly, because I have the parchment paper.
No, that's great.
Anyways, we'll just flip it. And then we just pray it all comes off. And there you go. Do the honors.
Whoa, perfection.
It definitely, where's my red? My blueberry. My blueberries are at the top. Where's my raspberries? Anyways, the raspberries are in there. But we'll put the glaze and then we'll add some more raspberries and blueberries and lemon on top. And basically we're done. So Tracy.
That's amazing.
Are you ready to glaze?
I'm ready to glaze.
All right.
What's the secret of glazing?
You know, for me, I just start in the middle and work my way out. And it just depends on how much you want. That's what I do. Yeah, just go in a circular.
See, I just don't feel like I'm doing this in a good way.
You're doing a great job. Here, let me do a couple of.
Yeah, let the pro get in there and show us what to do.
So I will just go really.
There's a slowness to make it perfect. Okay.
Yeah, and it's going to spread out. It's going to spread out too. And honestly, there's no imperfect way to do this. And then I'm going to go over by the edges because I just want it to drip down on the sides a little bit. Okay. Do you want to focus on the edges while I slice some more lemon?
All right. Well, I'm working on the edges here. See if it's.
Oh, they look amazing.
Yeah,
that's it.
It's getting
and
there.
Just leave just the little drips. That's all we want are the little drips and drabs.
Okay.
Not any
problem. Over here. Oh, look, you just have to get a little stronger with it. Okay. It's really coming along in the back.
It's coming along great. Okay. We're going to garnish with some raspberries and blueberries.
Yeah. Okay. Is that the pith?
Oh, yeah, we don't want the pith.
No pith. No. This is a no pith zone.
No pith, people. Okay. That is what you want.
That looks
a lot better.
Professional.
Professional. Okay, so I just did a little thinly sliced lemon, and I'm just gonna do. What do you think? The middle?
Maybe this. Yeah, that could be cool.
Or do we do the sides?
I would
middle.
Unless you do like 3.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 sides
and then fruit in the center.
We're gonna do fruit in the center. Why don't you do some raspberries in the middle? I would just put them nicely in a pile, and I'll add some blueberries.
Oh, wait, I have an idea.
Do your thing there, girly.
I don't know if it'll work.
Okay.
Let's.
Well, there I am.
There
the messy Marvin.
Yeah,
there we go.
Perfectly imperfect.
Yeah. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Here's the moment of truth.
The great unveiling.
Yes, we're gonna cut up this cake. Oh my gosh.
Looks so beautiful.
Do you want to cut? I should let you cut it.
I probably should have.
Ooh, it looks amazing.
Well, I guess I could have done each one of these.
And we can take this off when you're cutting it, sweetie. You don't have to leave that on.
All right. You know, that's actually a lot. That helps a lot.
Look at, that is the bite shot, you guys. Look at this.
Beautiful. Do this one.
Lemon olive oil cake, gluten-free, you guys.
Okay, now wait a minute. The drum roll, please.
So let's do this. Drum roll. Lemon olive oil cake. Blueberries, raspberries.
This is really good. And it's not overly sweet.
No.
So it's something you need a lot of.
Well, and you do need the glaze.
No, the glaze is so good.
We are the lazy cook and the healthy chef. And we're so glad you watched.
Yes, thank you for joining us for lemon cake.
Lemon olive oil cake. And we've added some blueberries and raspberries to celebrate American holidays.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We love that.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.